You good, boss? What happened? Why you honking? Yeah, but it's a fire lane, boss. What's up, y'all? Welcome to my channel, Raw. Today we're gonna be exploring City Island. We're gonna start from the infamous bridge that goes to City Island. I want my buddy, one of my subscriber, Eric. We're gonna be riding along City Island. Let's see how it looks, how it is, if anybody's curious. Ready? All right. Again, comment down below. It's gonna be like the third video of me commentating. If you like the commentations, hold on, let me adjust my seat. I'll try to do a combination of both, commentating and also obviously not commentating as well. Hopefully the audio is good. If not, I'm gonna have to buy one of those little audio things for the GoPro. See, this is City Island. This is the bridge, the only bridge that gets you over here. We're gonna try to go all the way to Johnny Reef's. In the summertime, this gets packed and crazy. Let's go in the fire lane. Get you a wide view. How you doing? Oh, nice. Got all the infamous restaurants. I don't know, comment down below. Would you like to live around here? They have houses right in the main road. I wonder if they're ever going to fix this road. This is the main road. This is the only road that gets you across all the way down to Johnny Reef and then to the Bronx. So it's always, especially in the summertime, it's always congested. So if you watch my videos, you know that I like keeping a timeline on the locations that I'm at. If you ever want to skip to a particular area, your favorite neighborhood, you can always go down in the description and click that neighborhood or street that you want to see. That was a nice Mustang. there's a city bus over here. The BX29 goes to Co-op City, to Bay Plaza. It's pretty nice. Wow, this island's pretty long. I usually take my car up here, but I never knew it was that busy. You good, boss? What happened? Why you honking? Yeah, but it's a fire lane, boss. I'm literally right next to the yellow line. This guy arguing with me. Try not to argue with people. It's not worth it. Have a good day, boss. I appreciate it. I don't know. Comment down below if you think that I did something wrong. It's up to you. To the side. I'm literally right next to the yellow line, but it is what it is. Can't take nothing personal. All right, so we're coming to an end. We got Sammy's. Right here, shrimp box. Over here, down here, so everybody comes down here. I'll get to show you guys the nice view from down here. Here we go, y'all, the infamous Johnny Reef. This is the only reason why I know about City Island. Well, I knew about it. I don't know if they're closed or whatever. Let's see if we go in here. Actually, no, let's look at this view.